There's a very cool legend about the father of the modern domestic sewing machine, Elias Howe. It's said that he had a dream one night that putting the eye of the needle at the tip of the needle would revolutionize the world. And he took that dream and he turned it in reality when he came up with his design for the lock stitch sewing machine. What does this have to do with ugly sounds on your sewing machine? Well, I'll tell you, 9 times out of 10, you're going to find that a bad needle is going to be a culprit for a lot of problems in your sewing machine, from nasty sounds to poor stitch quality to skip stitches. So let's take this wonderful piece of technology and celebrate this technology by changing it with every project. It's not super expensive and it's going to save you a lot of headache. The more you know about sewing, the better. Thanks for watching. I'm Michael from The Sewing Place.